student, this lesson is for class 6th. Lesson name is Robin Hood. Robin Hood was a thief who was stealing the things for the needy or the poor people. Means after stealing from the rich people, he was giving those things or money to the poor or the needy people. Let's start the story. In the days of old in Merry England is the name of a place. There lived a daring outlaw. Daring meaning is brave. Outlaw meaning is a person who has lost his right and protection of the law, means who has been sent away from the city, named Robin Hood. His name was Robin Hood. He roamed the great forest of Sherwood. Roamed meaning is wandered or moved. He moved the great forest of Sherwood. Sherwood is a place name. With his band of merry men. Band meaning is group of merry men. Merry men meaning is cheerful people. Means he and his other friends, we can say a companion, who were living with him, they were known as a merry men. Often he robbed the rich to help the needy. Robbed meaning is steal things, and often meaning is sometimes, many times. Many times he would steal things from the rich to help the needy people. Needy meaning is poor people. That's why the common people called him the prince of thieves. That's why the other poor people or the common people, they called Robin Hood as the prince of thieves or the king of thieves. Sometime his daring got him into trouble, but sometime due to his brave or due to his cour- uh, courageous acts, he got himself into the trouble. Trouble meaning is problem. Robin Hood was always on the lookout for strong men to join his band, and to increase his group of people, he was always in the lookout. Lookout meaning is search. He was always in the search of strong men so that he can make his band strong. One day, as he walked near a village, he started across a narrow footbridge over a stream. One day, when he was walking near the village, he started across a narrow footbridge, means he started crossing the narrow footbridge. Narrow footbridge meaning is tight footbridge where no vehicle can move. Over a stream. Stream meaning is storm, small river. At the same moment, at the same time, means when the Robin Hood was crossing the bridge, at the same time, a giant of a man started to cross from the other side. One big man, giant meaning is big man, started crossing the bridge from the other side, means from the one side Robin started, and the second side the giant man started. Back off, yelled the giant roughly. Roughly meaning is in a rough manner, in a rude manner. The big man or the large man yelled. Yelled meaning he shouted, means he shouted at Robin Hood to back off, means move back from the bridge. Certainly not. Certainly meaning is surely not, shouted Robin Hood, means Robin Hood said that he would not go back. With that, he held up his long staff. Staff meaning is bamboo stick. The burly man did the same. Robin Hood take out means he showed his bamboo stick to the giant man. The burly man meaning is big and strong. The giant man or the big man did the same, means he also showed his staff. And in no time at all, they were battling back and forth. Battling meaning is fighting, means in no time they both started. Robin Hood and the giant man both started uh, fighting back and forth, means sometimes they are going forward, sometimes they are coming backward over the narrow bridge, over the uh, bridge where they were standing or where they were which they were crossing. It wasn't often that anyone got the better of Robin Hood, means it was not always that anyone could defeat the Robin Hood. Got the better meaning is they can win from the Robin Hood, or they can defeat the. It was not regular. It was not always that someone could defeat Robin Hood, means every time Robin Hood won the battle or fight. The outlaw hero teetered on the edge of the bridge. Teetered meaning is move unsteadily, but Robin Hood was moving unsteadily, means not properly on the edge of the bridge. One crack against his staff, means if giant of a man would give a crack, means would hit with his staff to the Robin, then over he went, means the Robin Hood could be defeated. All's fair in love and war, shouted the giant, and giant shouted that it is fair in love and war, laughing and offering Robin Hood his hand. And from that day on, the giant, whose name was Little John, became one of the Robin Hood's merry men. Means in the fight, a giant of a man defeated the Robin Hood, and after defeating him, he gave his hand so that the Robin Hood could stand up, and from that day, the giant of a man whose name was, and that giant man name was Little John, he became the member of Robin Hood's merry men. Means he became the member of a Robin Hood band. A few weeks later, and after some weeks, Robin Hood sat resting beneath one of the great oaks on the edge of the Sherwood forest. Robin Hood was sitting beneath meaning is under one of the great oaks. Oaks is a tree name, means he was sitting under the tree on the edge meaning is border or the bank of the forest, Sherwood forest. Will Scarlet is the name of a person, was boasting meaning is talking with pride. He was talking with proudly that how far he could shoot an arrow with his long bow. Means he can shoot an arrow with his bow, and it would go at a long distance. Little John snorted meaning he spoke in a slow voice. Ha, I heard tell meaning is stories of friar. Friar is a person, a member of religious order. Friar is a name of person of religious order, or a member of religious order who was a religious person, we can say. Then Little John said that he had heard stories of the friar over by the Fountain Dale. Fountain Dale is a name of a person, means across the across the Fountain Dale, he had listened the stories of the friar who can shoot an arrow for half a mile. Means whose arrow can go at a long distance, or we can say at a half mile distance. His arrow means if he would shoot an arrow with his bow, then his arrow can go to the half a mile distance. Robin Hood suddenly sat up, and by listening this, Robin Hood sat up and said why he would ride 100 miles to find such a man for his band. Means why, as he was in the search of a strong man for his band, then he said that why he would go to 100 miles to find such a man, means like a friar, for his band. Then Little John laughed and said, they say a simple friar should be content with bread and cheese instead of fattening himself on the king's deer. And Robin Hood said that he had listened that if the friar is there, means a friar could be content meaning is satisfied with bread and cheese instead meaning is at the place of fattening himself on king's deer. Means if he would not be given a proper meal, then also he would live his life by eating only the bread and cheese. Means he was not interested on the good food, we can say. Speaking of fat friars, said Will, then as the little John was telling to the Robin Hood about the friar, then Will said that whether you are talking about the friar, fat friar, pointing meaning is showing across the stream meaning is river, means he pointed towards a fat friar who was across the river. Here comes one now, and he told that one friar is coming towards their side. Sure enough, a stout friar was striding. Stout meaning is fight. Then what they saw that a fat friar was striding. Striding meaning is walking with long steps. He was walking towards the bank of the stream. And by seeing the friar, Robin Hood called, good day, friar. Stepping meaning is Robin Hood started moving towards the friar and said, good day, friar. You seem to be in a hurry. You are looking as you are in a hurry. The friar scowled meaning is looked angrily towards the Robin Hood, and splashed meaning is moved, and moved through the stream. Robin smiled, and by seeing the angry friar, Robin Hood gave a smile and a twinkle in his eyes. Means one kind of shine was there in the eyes of Robin Hood, and said, You look as though you might be hunting for your dinner. And it was looking that you are in a hurry and you are searching for your dinner. Hunting meaning is you are searching for the animal so that you can eat your dinner. What's your name? And he asked from the friar his name. Then the friar replied that his name was Friar Tuck. Friar Tux is my name, and I am just a humble monk. Humble meaning is kind or polite. Monk meaning is a religious person, a man belonging to a religious order, living according to certain rules. Means he had some. He is a religious man and has to follow some religious rules. And he said that he was just a humble monk. Well, if you are so humble, carry me over this stream, ordered Robin Hood. And Robin Hood, after listening that he was a humble monk, then Robin Hood said to Friar that if you are so humble, so kind, then please take me over this stream, means please take me across this river. Friar Tuck seemed about to protest. Protest meaning is objection. Friar Tuck tried to give reply in the negative, but then thought better of it. But then he thought to give to carry Robin across the river. Then he bent over to let Robin Hood climb on his back. he, then Friar Tuck bent down so that the Robin Hood could climb on his back. Grunting and groaning. Grunting meaning is making deep sounds, as Robin Hood weight was there, was heavy, we can say. By his weight he was grunting and groaning. Groaning meaning is also same, making sounds. Friar Tuck waded into the river. Waded meaning is moved into the river water. Hurry up, Friar, I think I see a deer across the meadow. And when Friar Tuck started moving, Robin Hood was saying, cried Robin Hood. Robin Hood was saying that move fast. And he said, Friar, I think I see a, means Robin Hood saw a deer across the meadow. Meadow meaning is bushes, behind the bushes. And when Robin Hood was speaking continuously, you, and without listening, with a mighty heave, mighty meaning is powerful, heave meaning is effort, the friar dumped Robin into the stream. Dumped meaning is put down. As he started, he tried to move fast, and in that effort, in that walking, he dumped Robin into the stream. Fall down the Robin into the stream. Whoosh! An arrow sped across, and without crossing the river, means by standing in the river at the same time, the Friar Tuck sped across. An arrow sped across. Sped meaning is move quickly. Means he shoot an arrow. Friar Tuck shoot an arrow across the meadow, instantly killing a fleeing deer. Fleeing meaning is running deer. Means at the same time, instantly meaning is immediately. He killed the running deer across the meadow. Will Scarlet and Little John roared. Roared meaning is in a loud voice. They started laughing at the sight of their brave leader, because what they saw that their brave leader, that is Robin Hood, was fallen down into the river water, getting an unexpected bath, which was means he was fallen down into the river water, and it was unexpected for them, because they didn't think that the friar would dump him down, or dump Robin Hood down in the stream.